Hey there, YouTube fans. Robert Beijold here with Exploring the Paranormal. I just got in from outside. I was working on a wall, trying to do some light construction on our house, putting some 8-inch on center siding. And I thought, I'm going to come in here and start going over some more of these vids from the WASH show. I'm finding out that I still am coming up with paranormal activity. It just takes time. You got to watch these videos. You got to watch them close. Here's a new one. So I may not look the part right now. I'm dirty, I'm nasty, I've been sweating, I've been outside working. I just sat down and put on my headphones. Actually, I didn't have the headphones on a minute ago. I was using my speakers. I'm watching this video. It's the doll room again. I can't believe the activity this doll room has. I'm sure that Ghost Adventures has captured more paranormal activity than we can even imagine. They just don't have the time to put it all on TV for us. If they were to go over all their material, oh God, they'd have years and years of paranormal activity. So, here we are. Orbs, right? We've all seen orbs on videos. I'm reading things about different colors, flashes, bugs, water, moisture. Okay, here's a new one. There is a lot of activity in this room to the right, where the door is behind the piano, where the piano is. There's lots of orbs. My first orb I saw, I've shown you it on one of our videos, where it manifests right out of the door as a big, beautiful ball of light that was translucent coming to the right of the camera. Now I'm watching this one. There is a faint orb. It comes straight out of, actually it comes right out of this spot behind this little sign on the piano, and it comes right at the camera and poof, by. Okay, it's an orb, right? Listen closely. You can hear it. That's the trip. It can't be something on the screen that makes a sound. It can't be a particle of dust that's going to make a swooshing sound coming out. I don't believe that. This is really, really weird. And if you listen even further as it comes past the camera, you'll hear it's like a pop. So this is a trip. Now listen to this. I'm going to play it a couple times. I'm going to bump up the decibels again on this. I've only got it at 7 dBs. Let's see what happens here, guys. Listen, follow it. Now listen, it's coming right out of here. Did you hear that? Did you see that? Okay, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to back it up. I'm going to bump the decibels up even some more. Okay, came right out of here. You can hear it. Listen closely. It goes, and then as it went by, you heard a poof. What is doing that? That is a trip. If this is an entity, it's got force. It's pulling past the camera, and it's picking up this sound. This is wild. All right, I'm going to back it up. I'm going to back it up. I'm going to back. There you go. See it? Right there. Right on. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in slow motion. And let's see what happens. All right? Okay. I'm going to splice right here. I'm going to bump the decibels up even further. Here we go. Actually, this time I am going to, you're going to see everything on my screen. I don't care. I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm already at 7. Let's go up 5 more dB. So we're at 12. Here we go. Could you hear it? Did you hear that? It's very faint. You gotta listen close. Okay, I'm gonna go up even higher on this. I'm at 12. Audio gain's going up. I'm going to bump it up 5 more. So we're at 17. Bringing it back. Here we go. You can hear it all the way up, guys. You can hear it. That is so badass. Tell me, what is this? This is why I'm doing this, and I get excited when I hear it and when I see it. I can see why Ghost Adventurers gets excited. I see why all these other adventurers that are into this paranormal stuff like it so much. There's something intriguing, something mysterious about it that just draws you in. And I think it's harmless. So let's see here. I'm going to try this one more time, guys. I'm going to bump it up. This time I'm not going to the audio gain, but I'm going to the actual video line. And I'm going to go all the way up to 15 decibels. I'm going to slow it down this time. I haven't done this in a while. So let's go down to 75% of normal. Let's see what happens. First, I'm going to draw it across and get it close, because remember, this is going to move slow. There it is. Here we go. Wasn't that badass? So cool. I love it, guys. This is why I'm doing this. It's so much fun. Hey, I'm going to keep checking out the vids. I have a lot more to go. Just so you know, in September, I'm scheduling another adventure at the Mackay Mansion. It's across from the Washoe. I'm not sure if it's right or left, but I'm pretty sure it's across from it. Ghost Adventures was there also. There's some badass paranormal activity in that mansion, and I cannot wait. It's going to be awesome. So, hey, enjoy this. All right. Take it easy. Paranormal, rock on. Ha 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 ha. Woo!